Working with Google Sites seems to go a little bit smoother if you use the browsers, either Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So that would be the first thing that I would recommend. If you're using Internet Explorer, try one of these other browsers. It makes a big difference, especially when you look at the features that the right mouse click will give to you. So once you've created your site and you've found the little administrator button at the bottom of the screen, this is where your work begins. All of these different links will offer you information about how to work with different Google gadgets. So be sure to look at all of them and see what it has to offer. Also check each page and see the different ways that the web pages work. Remember, after you've learned how to do something, in order to actually make any editing, you do need to jump back to your template, which will be the blue site, and this is where you're going to start your editing. When the general public looks at your site, they will not see any of this, the toolbar at the top. You can always check out what they see by going into More, Preview Page as Viewer. Let's take a look at what you can customize on your home page. I'm going to first go into the Edit Page button, click on that, and you'll see that the home page is actually made up of 3 separate Google gadgets, one for announcements, one for a slideshow, and one with your calendar. The only area that you can modify is this area up here where you would want to type in a personal message to the students and their parents, welcoming them to your classroom website. Once you type in here, there are some modifications you can make with the type by changing the font, the size, the bold, and some other areas where you can play around with just to see how you can modify the type. This button over here removes all the formatting on the type, so it takes it back to the default for the page. So that's the area where you'll want to put in a personal message. Once you put in the message, remember you have to save your page.